Parang si Bob. Pag tayo, susubuan tayo ng ice cream. Pag sa iba, iba. Sinusubo.
Iba, sinusubo. Mas masarap.
Game na ba? Naka-play?
Huwag ka magalit. Huwag ka magalit.
Hey, what's up, babe? So, nandito kami ngayon sa Yebu! Yebu ba to? Hindi natin alam.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Ayaw na.
Waiting pa kami kasi may inaayos daw si Ate.
Nag-grocery pa lang.
Ako natutunan galing kong coffee.
Yes! Ang dami niyong topic!
Ewan ka dito. May ma-share lang.
Kasi ngayon na kami nagkita-kita kaya sobrang dami naming topic.
Ilang months to?
I don't know!
One.
Sus.
1 month or less than a month.
Huwag kayo maniwala dyan, guys.
Madami
Kamusta
na ako
naman yung
pag-laser.
pag-laser mo?
Ayun, wala na.
Sa face mo, di ba
Ano ba? Ako
nagpa-laser
tuloy
ka?
nag-issue.
Share mo naman kasi gusto ko rin ma-experience yung laser na yun.
Okay, laser, guys.
Ano naman pinagbago sa mukha mo na naramdaman mo?
Masakit siya. Depende siguro sa
Si
pain
charcoal
tolerance
yung
mo.
nilalagay
Oo.
ko.
Tapos parang yung
Ayun na
laser.
yung ayun na. So, continue.
Hindi, mamaya na yan.
Wait lang, guys.
Gutom na ako. Gutom na
Halika.
ako.
Two hours later.
Hello,
Gusto
nag-order
niya,
na
parting
kami.
week mo.
Ako po.
Ako pork.
Pork na lang.
Pork na lang lahat. Wow, talo ka.
Pork na lang.
Bakit gusto mo rin?
Hindi. Hindi ako yung kahit ano.
Gusto ko mag-eat and pork yung isa, iwalay ko po kayo ng table. Ang dalawa po ang mag-ano, hindi.
Ang iwalay ko.
Ba't ang po na ng lips ko dyan?
Obviously, syempre. Ay, ang ganda ko dyan. Parang mukha akong wallpaper dito. Nagkakaroon din dito. Bob. Ito yung Facebook ni Bob, guys. Ayun.
Ano ito?
Hi!
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 Ang arte naman.
Annyeong.
Ay?
Dali na.
Outside world, masyado siyang yan. Nakikita nyo, sobrang pangkala mo. Angas, boy. Sobrang tigasin. Pero pag sa loob ng bahay, Bebe! Ay, hindi Pinag-iwalay kami.
Oo. Ayaw namin sa loob.
May one minute.
I don't think so. Ay nako, yung pala kasi guys, naghanap si Liv ng wifi kasi...
What? Why?
Should we disclose it?
Okay lang.
Introduce yourself naman.
Hi.
She's single.
Kailangan ng video.
Dinin!
She's pretty.
May nice review.
Liv Yu.
Video nyo.
Ikaw naman, Bob.
Hi guys, I'm Bob. So napilitan lang ako dito, unplanned to. Kunyari, pero napagutom talaga ako, sabi ko sulitin ko yung kain.
Kanina pa sila nagkikrave.
Yeah. Nilusab ako ni Liv, tulog pa ako. So.
Paano yung lusog?
Oh, Liv, Bob. Hindi wa ako eh, sarap ng tulog ko. Buisit. Gutom ka na? Pakita mo sa amin, paano yung gutom?
Paano yung gutom? So, how does it feel?
Straight pala talaga ako.
Kasi
Confirm. Hindi niya nagustuhan
Hindi
yung
kasi siya
experience.
awakening.
Kasi nandun siya sa face na sinadoubt niya yung
I like
gender identity.
Oh, so what's your soji? What's your soji, Bobby?
Hindi ko alam yun na ano. Regular crush ko si Bob ng third year. Tapos kinakonvince ko sa sarili ko na ay, hindi pwede din hindi.
Hindi pwede.
Wala ka nung bagay na
Wala ako sa
hinahanap.
criteria niya. Dito, shoutout sa mga friends namin hindi sumama.
Oo nga. Sige, away
Ayun na sila rin ako. Ay, naku.
Madama natin dun sa nag-confirm na pupunta,
Sino ba
pero
yun?
hindi ko.
Si Aya ko yun.
Tandaan niyo po, police blotter, Angela Olimar. Kanina nagbabumble sila. May nagustuhan siyang guy kasi maganda daw yung ngipin.
Dapat
So I prank.
kasi it tells na hygienic.
Ikaw ba, Bob? Ano bang parang unang
Naku.
na-attract mo pag sa isang guy?
Zipper. Zipper. Kung baka.
How did
Uy, hindi. Nag-work talaga ako.
Paano yung work?
Work. Like, you know.
Ang pinaka maganda na dalaga sa aking mata. Ikaw na ang pinaka maganda na dalaga.
Agent kami.
Yes.
TMI.
O siya ko yung pera.
Alay, yan. Sige doon.
Hey, okay na po ate. Mamaya kasi iinit yung sa kalan.
Yes, bilang pag-iinit.
Yan na, ipagtabihin na kasi.
May dumawang ka no?
Tapos?
Ano naman? Hindi ka sanay, sis?
Oo.
Nalungkot ako sa kasama niya. Bakit? Maganda pa si Liv.
Ano ka ba?
Totoo naman.
Isa kasi performance ano yun.
Yeah,
So, sinasabi nyo na
Oo, under.
wala kaming sinasabi, Nick, pero parang
sa mga recruit na tayo, ako lang parang, ayun mo ba nangyari dalawa?
Yun na, ewan ko sa inyo priorities mo. Wow, biglang ganun. Hindi pa ako, single.
wow. Ipagsigawan mo. Single. Paano yung mukha ng single?
Akala mo emo, kunyari din dada.
Ano yung criteria mo? Tuloy na natin.
Criteria for what?
Anong
For choosing- oo.
For choosing the one.
Kung saan ka na-attract sa...
Ano ba guys, dapat you shouldn't go that low. Set your standards and you shouldn't go for a guy just because you feel lonely.
Oh.
Yes, ganun yun.
Pinarapit.
Kasi they're asking kung ano ba dapat yung masasabi mo in terms of relationship. Well, my takeaway, my take on that is dapat yung mga tao, hindi sila yung mga naghahanap ng mga relationship just because they feel lonely. And kasi parang nag-crave lang sila ng intimacy, but rather you're not really mature enough and ready for a relationship. So medyo seryoso, pero kasi hindi na mapansin sa mga tao. So, ayan, puro kayo mga fling-fling. Yan
Oo,
sige.
kala mo, tsaka yun eh. TMI.
Parang mga NSA, ganyan.
What's NSA? No strings attached.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Liv Yu. I'm 21 years old and I'm working as a part-time call center agent, technical support in Hartang.
So, I've had previous jobs before the job that I had. And, syempre pag bago ka sa work, you're not really familiar with the environment, how things go on.
Yun, syempre, ang hirap sa unang sisimula ka pa lang, tanong ka, tanga-tanga ka, you have to ask people what to do. Siguro more of, since I was only 18 that time, I was having a hard time asking questions and keeping up with my workmates since they're older than me. Tapos, wala akong experience. Tapos, I'm not very, I'm not very smart. Magaling na ako mag-English, pero hindi ako matalino.
Dati yun,
But then, siguro as time goes by, you should take negative criticisms as something to work on. Kasi what I did before, I just keep going on and on. Ginagawa ko lang yung trabaho, I keep asking people even though naiirita sila sa akin. And that's what helped me become a better agent. Naging top agent pa nga ako eh. Gulat na gulat sila. Ako yung syunga-syunga, tanga-tanga. Pero I keep asking, tapos, ayun, don't give up. Then use the negative criticisms to be better at work. Kasi sooner or later, maalam mo yung yung pattern na you'll get used to it. The hard part is just doing it every day. Each client is different. Some are may mababait, may mga masusungit, may mga bastos. You have to adjust. I-adjust you need to face yourself in the same context kung ano ba yung kinakausap mo. Huwag ka, pag intimidating, huwag ka magpapa-intimidate. Kasi, that's why they're calling you, they need your help. But then, it's not an excuse for interview. So, ayun, siguro through experience, then I know what to say and what to do. And, dapat ka din, may sort of authority na tone para i-respeto ka nila. And especially if you know the job, you know what you're doing, it will be so much easier to handle everything than the solutions right then and there. Ayun lang.
So, wait, just to make sure that I understand the question correctly, you're asking about the negative impacts of negative criticism dun sa employee in terms of performance and overall being. Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay. In my experience, I started working 18 years old lang din. So, I'm Jeff nga pala. I'm currently 20 years old. And I'm working at Telepex in Bonnie Pioneer. So, in my experience, since it's a very large company, it's hard for them to manage their people and it has its consequences. Because one thing na na-realize ko as to how you make your employees happy is all about appreciation and at the same time, giving them what they deserve in terms of yung proper recognition, tapos yung bibigyan sila ng mga, yun talaga yun eh. So that's how you retain your employee. So, compared to my other works, it's so much better, pero I had my share of negative experience din. Kasi, being in a BPO industry is a very biodiverse environment. What it means is there are a lot of different peoples with different personalities from different areas and locations, wherever they might come from. So, hindi lahat nang i-expect mo na makukuha mo. For example, iniisip mo na mababait yung mga tao, it's only like that. People have their personal life, tapos it affects your environment completely. Especially kung depende pa rin yun sa manager on how they manage their people. You can have it.
This one.
Tapos din lang naman, it has negative effects, syempre. For example, you have your team. Okay ba kayo sa team nyo? I mean, nagkakasundo ba kayo? Tapos, nabibigyan ka ba ng tamang recognition para sa mga accomplishments mo? So, if you don't get those kind of stuff, the employees won't be happy. And kung hindi sa happy, hindi lang naapektuhan yun yung performance nila and yung chance nila for our career growth, but also naapektuhan yun yung sila, like, psychologically, yung will nila magtrabaho, or at the same time, yung performance talaga nila. It's more on that. Kung gusto pa ba nila pagpatuloy yung work nila since they're having bad experience dun sa work. So it's really important na alam ng company on how to take care of their employees. But it depends on the person as well on how they adjust to these situations that they are in. So, may mga taong mabilis yung they find it easy makipagsama, yung parang, yeah, that's the term. Parang madaling makipagsama sa ibang, makisama. If it's your first time working in a BPO industry, you have to embrace the fact na there are a lot of different people. So you can't expect na lahat makakasundo mo. And at the same time, you have to be flexible. Hindi lahat ng gusto mo makukuha mo. And kailangan yung harsh environment, kung ano man yung mga taong na-encounter mo, is marunong ka makisama. Ganun lang talaga yan. Yeah. Because sooner or later, you're gonna adjust naman din, and you're gonna master your trade, kung ano man yung workload mo. And then, you'll be good on your own. You'll be good. You'll be fine.
So here's the food, guys. Yeah. Para at least may laman yung ano.
Bes, ang sarap. Kumain ka.
Okay lang. May talang itang busog-busog na ako.
Alam mo, toxic siya. Toxic siya. Toxic siya. Share mo na ako. Sino first?
Liv.
Gusto ko fun. Fun.
Yung nagsasabi mo tapos,
Vibe. Sarap. Diba? Madaling makagaan ng loob pag fun. Yung vibe. Tapos open-minded. Kasi,
May point.
yung wala masyadong arte. Like, hindi pwedeng ganito, hindi ka pwedeng mag-girl, hindi ka pwedeng mag-girl.
Saka hindi kayo maubusan ng
Oo.
gagawin pag may humor yung
Kasi,
guy.
pangit yung mag-revolve yung mundo yung kayong dalawa lang. Siyempre, he has his life, you have your life. Parang masaya, tsaka parang dapat masaya ka sa life mo muna.
Kasi sir, kapag dumating naman na yung marriage stage,
Oo, yun na yun.
yun na yun eh. Kaya dapat habang binata at ilaga pa kayo at magjowa pa lang kayo, dapat ini-explore nyo na yung mundo. Kasi hindi nyo na ma-explore yun kapag nag-create na kayo ng fun.
Realize mo yun.
Mahirap.
Another one.
Question
So ikaw, Bob, bakit ayaw mo muna mag-commit this year?
I realized that I'm not psychologically ready. Charot. Oo, parang yun. I always date guys and in the end, parang nape-pressure ako and I get intimidated. So, toxic siya. Hindi ko, I don't
Thanks.
invest myself that much in dating.
Talaga.
So at least I know myself and being honest. Ganun. So toxic siya. Kasi kaya guys, ang daming intriga dapat niya itanong niya.
Tanggal ka na ba sa RTX?
Ito lang. O, kumain ka na lang.
Paano kumain?
Ganito.
Wait lang, wait.
Hindi ko lang alam kung kasya to sa bunganga ko
Susoy.
Unvertis naman ako eh.
Ano ba yan?
My heart just got stuck between these.
Parang si Bob. Pag tayo, susubuan tayo ng ice cream. Pag sa iba, iba.
Iba ang sinusubo. Mas masarap. Mas satisfying.
Talaga? I don't
Oo.
think so that's
Mga mas
satisfying.
mamahal na mga pagkain. Hindi yung ice cream.
Check in. Ay, check out. Tama ba? Bill out.
Uy, ano ang salit natin?
Or 30.
Hindi na ng pagkain. Hoy, anong to?
Bye ate! Bye-bye po.
Bye. Thank you.